Hello everyone, this is Gorge and welcome back to my weekend gardening project at home. Remember last week that we have completed installing the Pinnacle outdoor garden planter set? This one? Many of the viewers commented that it looks more like a barbecue stand instead. So for this week, we are going to continue our journey exploring and unboxing Bedford treated pine raised garden beds. The reason I choose this pine wood garden bed is because I love the natural feeling and the size is nice, just like having a mini vegetable farm at home. Yeah. This garden bed weighs about 18 kg with a build-up dimension of 1200 mm in width by 1200 mm in length with a height of 300 mm. Let's open it. These are Alkaline Copper Quaternary ACQ treated, which means arsenic free. We found some screws. I was sweating. To be honest, the installation was very direct and easy. It's just that to carry the boards around, it is quite heavy for the boards, and to align and screw it in, that's the part that made me very much sweaty. At last, it is done. But this is not completed yet because next week I'm gonna bring in some surprise. So I'll see you in the upcoming video. Bye bye!